Hello everyone. Fasting has been practiced for thousands of years. But is it just a spiritual tradition? Or can it actually help heal your body? Today we explore the science behind fasting and its potential to heal diseases. We'll also cover how to fast correctly, who should try it, and who should avoid it without a doctor's advice. Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the benefits of fasting and how it can support your health. From improving heart health to promoting cell regeneration, fasting could be a powerful tool for healing your body. But it's not for everyone, and it's important to know how to do it safely. One of the most exciting effects of fasting is the process called autophagy. When you fast, your body switches into a repair mode. It starts breaking down old and damaged cells, recycling them to promote healing. Autophagy can remove harmful cells, potentially reducing the risk of diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Fasting also lowers inflammation, a key driver of many chronic diseases. This means it may help with conditions like arthritis and heart disease. Another benefit is improved insulin sensitivity. If your body is more responsive to insulin, you have a better chance of managing type 2 diabetes and preventing metabolic issues. But fasting isn't just about skipping meals. To do it safely, you need a plan. Intermittent fasting, where you eat within a specific window each day, is one of the most popular methods. For beginners, a 16-8 ratio, 16 hours of fasting followed by an 8-hour eating window, can be a great place to start. Always stay hydrated and focus on nutrient-dense foods during your eating periods. While fasting has many benefits, it's not for everyone. Certain groups should avoid fasting without consulting a healthcare provider first. This includes people with diabetes who rely on medication to manage their blood sugar, pregnant or breastfeeding women, those with eating disorders, people with a history of heart problems. Elderly individuals or those with chronic health conditions should also consult their doctor before fasting. Fasting has also been shown to reduce heart disease risk factors like blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglycerides. Additionally, by giving your digestive system a break, fasting can help improve gut health and may assist in healing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Fasting may even give your immune system a boost. Short-term fasting promotes the regeneration of white blood cells, helping your body fight infections more effectively. Research also suggests that fasting could contribute to longevity by reducing the wear and tear on your cells and organs over time. So, whether you're looking to improve your heart health, reduce inflammation, or promote longevity, fasting offers several potential benefits. But remember, it's not for everyone, and it's essential to fast safely. If you're new to fasting or have a medical condition, be sure to talk to your doctor first. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with our latest health tips and insights. See you in the next video.